Everyone has been asking me for more stocks with explosive upside, and in today's video I have another tiny Nasdaq penny stock. This is another stock that has a history of going parabolic on great catalysts, and this might be about to happen yet again. And just look at yesterday's video where the stock that we called out on this channel ran up more than 100% in just 2 days. But before we get into the video, if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 1,000 likes on this video. Help me achieve that goal. For anyone that's new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get straight into it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Hub Cybersecurity Limited. This stock is trading on Nasdaq, ticker symbol HUBC. This is the first time that I've talked about this stock on the channel, and there is a lot of exciting things going on with the company lately, and this is definitely a stock to have on your watch list right now. The stock is trading near its 52-week low, and with a good catalyst, this could skyrocket. So first of all, what is Hub Cybersecurity and what do they do? Hub Cybersecurity was established in 2017 by veterans of the elite intelligence units of the Israeli Defense Forces. The company specializes in advanced cybersecurity solutions that protect sensitive commercial and government information. Hub's offering include encrypted computing technologies that prevent hardware-level intrusions and innovative data theft prevention solutions. Operating in more than 30 countries, Hub serves a diverse client base with its cutting-edge cybersecurity appliances and services. And this client base is incredible, which we'll see in a minute. Now, in terms of size, this Nasdaq-traded microcap company is one of the smallest Nasdaq companies I have ever talked about on the channel. But they have an incredible list of customers that include some of the world's largest companies. They have contracts with the likes of ING, Boeing, and Visa. Not only do they have these Fortune 500 companies as clients, but they also just had some huge news which I will talk about in a moment. Hub Security has a number of impressive security products that they are able to market to their commercial and government customers. Now, one of the biggest successes that we've had on this channel over the past year was Palantir Technologies, rising more than 350% last year and more than 1,000% in the past 2 years. And in some ways, this company reminds me a bit of Palantir, as they have established their government customers with a focus on intelligence, but then also expand into the commercial space too. And like I have said time and time again, when talking about companies like Palantir or even SoFi Technologies, it is this multi-expansion approach that drives growth. And they have several key products which they can market to these massive customers. The Hub Secure File Vault is a supercharged MFT backed by dedicated hardware-driven security. This innovative solution combines the power of a supercharged managed file transfer system with dedicated hardware-driven security, creating a secure enclave to safeguard organizations' data-driven workflows. HubGuard, which is a comprehensive solution that offers a recurring security assessment, continuous monitoring and analysis, and planned incident response. As it says here, real-time probing and simulations ensure that the organization isn't just prepared for yesterday's threats, but is ready for tomorrow's challenges. And when breaches do occur, the system's instant incident response kicks in, ensuring minimal damage and maximum recovery. And Hub Security's Attack Surface Management provides insights into genuine attack surface, encompassing the digital assets you acknowledge, those you might not be aware of, and any potential harmful or unauthorized assets, revealing security concerns and vulnerabilities that could be targeted by potential adversaries. Now, Hub Security have had some pretty big announcements lately, but before we look at that, let's take a quick look at the most recent investors presentation. So as we know, the explosion of AI over the past year has been incredible. But this has brought new issues such as the need for increased cybersecurity. As it says here, big data's perfect storm leads to data fabric. Hub unifies all data, takes care of scalability, supports AI ML, and is cost effective. Their SDF platform manages large volumes of data, cutting compliance and digital transformation costs by up to 50%. They have over 300 experts, and as we can see here, they are serving a global footprint of blue chip customers, which include Fortune 500 companies and government clients. There is two sides to this: their legacy IT services arm and their new SDF platform, which has very high software margins. Now there is a few slides here showing their SDF platform and how this compares with data lake solutions, and of course why this is a must for financial service organizations. But I don't want to waste your time looking through the entire investor's presentation. There is a link to it in the description below if you want to check this out. But I think we have seen an even better example of why we need such advanced cybersecurity in recent days. Unless you've been living under a rock, you would have seen the rise of DeepSeek AI in the past week as a rival to ChatGPT. This topped the download charts in nearly every country in the world. Not only did this crash the markets for a couple of days and wipe over $1 trillion off US big tech companies, but then all the reports started to come out where DeepSeek AI's database was exposed on the internet, which could have allowed malicious actors to gain access to sensitive data. The exposure also includes more than 1 million lines of log streams containing chat history, secret keys, back-end details, and other highly sensitive information. If ever there was a sign of the need for more advanced cybersecurity, then we are seeing it right now in 2025. But guys, what do you think? Do you think that cybersecurity could be the very next big thing to take off after the AI boom of last year and then quantum computing boom near the end of 2024, which seen the likes of IonQ or Rigetti Computing making gains of over 1000%? Do you think that cybersecurity could be the next big thing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So in the past few days, Hub Cybersecurity completes the acquisition of Black Swan Technologies to drive AI-powered data solutions for global enterprises. This strategic acquisition positions Hub to capitalize on a projected $12.91 billion market by 2032 and deliver advanced security, compliance, and regulatory technologies to banks, fintechs, and governments worldwide. With significant growth anticipated in 2025 and 2026, fueled by rising customer demands and stricter regulatory requirements. Now, this really caught my attention. Noah Hershkovitz, CEO of Hub Cybersecurity, stated that this acquisition marks a pivotal milestone for Hub, strengthening our position as a leader in the secure data management and compliance solutions. With over $50 million invested in Black Swan's cutting-edge solutions, we are eager to bring this superior technology to our clients. Our projected revenues from the combined operations are expected to grow significantly and deliver additional bookings of over $25 million in 2025, driven by new customer acquisitions and enhanced operational synergies. So guys, that's $25 million of revenue this year. The market cap of Hub is only $23 million right now, so their revenue for this 1 year alone could be more than the value of the entire company. As I said, this is definitely one you need to have on your watch list. But let's take a look at this management team, and we can see that they have a top-class team of people coming in from world-class companies such as EY, Philips, Radware, and IBM. And their advisory team includes 2 former government officials with extensive knowledge of government relations, national security, and the Department of Defense, and a retired CIA veteran with 33 years of experience in the intelligence service. Hub Security have an impressive growth strategy that is starting to take shape now too. As they look to dominate the competitive landscape, we can see here they tick a lot of boxes that others do not. And one of the main areas that they are focusing on, which is the banking industry, they are finally having to shift to the new digital age. Banks can improve their productivity by up to 30% by adopting generative AI. We can also see here that other markets, such as the insurance market or software, even utilities and chemicals, can improve their productivity. And there is several case studies in this investor's presentation that show this. Hub Security have set out their roadmap for the next 18 months. And as we can see here, Q1 2025, US market penetration, new SDF contracts, and ramping up of existing deals, while later on in the year there will be further market penetration, further ramping up, and more transportation clients. But guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts on Hub Security in the comments below. Everything seems to be pointing upwards towards a strong breakout move. But remember that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so I highly recommend you do more due diligence. To learn more about hub security, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next